We're not supposed to look away from it.
What happens if we do?
That's what we need to find out. Just for a second. Okay? We need to know what we're dealing with. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Why did you give this to us?
Us, you keep saying us. Who's us?
Us, man, me and Rachel.
Ben, where are you right now?
I'm coming to you.
No! You have to keep your eyes on it!
I know, Rachel's watching.
No, Ben! You! God damn it, I gave it to you! You have to keep your fucking eyes on it!